How to make Facebook post with backgrounds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook post more aesthetic with various kinds of backgrounds provided by Facebook. So let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook and then you can see what's on your mind. Tap on it and then tap to write what you want to uh, put in a status, and then you can see a option at the bottom. Tap on it. Here you can see various backgrounds that you can choose from. Just tap on it and it will give you a preview. So choose the one of your choice and hit done in the top right, and you can now edit it more if you want to, and just hit done. And now you can post. So it's as simple as that. If you want to change the background, just tap on A again and change the background. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.